Okay, so here we are. We did our tool change and the model has been completed. So let's jump into our V panel and let's take it to the view position. So it's coming out for us and there it is. There's that 32nd inch bit. Let's go ahead and remove our blank. I'm going to unscrew this side. I'm going to unscrew, it's nice and tight, unscrew that, loosen it, loosen the shaft, dust off this sawdust. It will take a little cutting with a jigsaw for the supports, maybe a little dremeling, but it should be ready to go. So that in essence, from beginning to end, is our Roland CNC.